Hello, and welcome to my latest video, the circle experiment, where I use the rims of pouring cups to create an interesting design by putting the paint on the rim of the cup. You can already hear the reason why this is not part 3 in the Rainbow Waterfall series. The cough is still hanging around, and those two other pieces need a lot of audio description. So you can have another video with some on-screen prompts, but most of it just a wonderful piece of music called Winter. I really hope you enjoy the video, and I'm just doing the first circle bit there, and we'll see where this goes.
So that is the piece almost finished. I'm just touching up the sides, making sure the paint's dripping down as it needs to. And then we're going to see in a smash cut now the final result. Isn't that gorgeous? For such a simple technique, literally a few dabs of paint on the rim of a pouring cup, twisted around on the canvas. Okay, it took me about 50 minutes. This was a really sped up video, but it is amazing. I love it. It's so gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share the video to your friends. And if you do a piece like this, share it with me on social media. I love your art.